Okay, the topic is Pythagoras theorem. So this theorem was given by a Greek mathematician Pythagoras of Samos. Okay. So this theorem was given by Pythagoras of Samos. Pythagoras of Samos. And this theorem is only applicable for right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. So let us learn some terms about right angle triangle. So in case of right angle triangle, there is different name for the three sides. So the longest side of this triangle is known as hypotenuse, and this one is known as base, and this one is known as perpendicular. Okay, in short, if I want to explain it, then it would be h, it would be b, and this one will be p. So according to Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of square of its remaining two sides. Means hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. This is the mathematical form of the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So based on this formula, you have to solve the next exercise, that is exercise 18b. Okay, so let us start solving the exercises. In number 1, it is said that in a right angle triangle, find the length of hypotenuse if the other two sides measure 12 centimeter and 35 centimeter. So in every sum, you have to draw the diagram, draw a right angle triangle, and you have to find the hypotenuse, and the other two sides are given as 12 centimeter and this one is 35 centimeter. You can take this one as 35 and this one as 12 also, it's up to you. So write down by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So this one is base and this one is perpendicular. So write down the values of perpendicular and base, that is 12 square plus 35 square. Next you have to find the square of these two numbers. So what is 12 square? 12 square is 12 into 12. Okay, and 35 square means 35 into 35. So multiply and get the values of these two. It will be 144, and okay, let me explain the shortcut for this. This one will be 5 into 5 is equals to 25, and the next number after 3 is 4. So 3 into 4 is 12. So this one is a shortcut to multiply any number ending with 5. But keep in mind that this 2 has to be same. Then only you can apply this formula, otherwise not possible. So this one will be 1, 2, 2, 5. Next, h square is equals to 549, 456, 213, 1369. Fine. 549, 456. Okay. Next, if you remove this square, it will become here square root. So 1369. Next, you have to find the square root of 1369. So you have to find such a number. Just wait. Okay, let us check what will be 43 into 43. 3 3 is 9, 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 17. This one is okay. Try 37 into 37. Actually, this 1369 is the product of is the square of any prime number. So it's very much difficult to find it by prime factorization method. You have to give a trial method. Means you have to multiply any two similar numbers to get this 1369. So just give it a try. 7 7 is 49, 4 7 21, 23, 24, 25. 21 to okay, fine, we have got 1369. 1369 is the square of 37. So write down here 37 into 37. Look at this, 37 is a prime number. If you try to solve it by prime factorization method, you will never get it. So just you have to give a hit and trial method. So for we have got a pair of 37. So the value of h will be 37 centimeter. Fine. Okay, moving to next one then. Number 2. The length of one side of a right angle triangle is 24 centimeter. One length is 24 centimeter and the length of his hypotenuse is given 40 centimeter, and you have to find the length of third side. So let us take it as x. Okay, so this one is hypotenuse, this one is, okay, no need to take it as x, write down it like write down it as p, because this one is perpendicular, and write down this as base. कौन कौन आई है? Wait, okay, so using the Pythagoras theorem, write down here, by Pythagoras theorem, BPT, the hypotenuse square will be equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So the value of hypotenuse is 40 square equals to p square plus 24 square. Next, here you have to find the value of p square. So 40 square minus 24 square, this plus 24 will become minus 24. So from here you have to find out the value of 40 square. What will be the 40 square? 40 square means 40 into 40, that is equals to 1600. So 1600 minus, and 24 square will be 576. P square is equals to, just subtract it, 4, 2, this one will be 0, 1024, fine. Next you have to find the value of p, that is equals to root over 1024. 1024 is a even number, so we can find it out by prime factorization method. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 2 6s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are 2 6s are 2 4s are, and this one is 8 8s are 64. So just I am writing it by making the pair. This two pair, the pair of these two will be written as only 1 2, and this one will also be 1 2, and this will be 1 8. So 2 2s are 4, 4 8s are 32 centimeter. So the other side, that is the third side, is the 32 centimeter. Okay. Moving to number 3. The two legs of a right angle triangle are equal and the square of its hypotenuse is 50 centimeter. Very nice question. This one is h and these two sides are equal. So let us take it as x. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, you can write as h square is equals to x square plus x square, and the value of h square is already given, that is 50 centimeter square. So write down here as 50, only 50, not 50 square. This x square plus x square will become 2x square. Okay. Now bring the left hand side, bring all the things of right hand side on LHS, and LHS will be right RHS. This will be equals to 50 by 2, that is equals to how much? 25. So x will be what? Root over 25. Now what is root over 25? It is only 5. So the value of x is 5 centimeter. Means the length of each leg is 5 centimeter. So basically you have to keep in mind this formula, and based on this formula you will be able to solve any type of Pythagoras problems. Okay. Given below are the lengths of the legs of a right angle triangle. In each case find the length of the hypotenuse. Okay. Here A and B is given, you have to find the value of C, means you have to find the length of hypotenuse. This one is very simple. I will explain only one, and you will do 2 and 3 as your homework. So the value of A is 32 centimeter, B is 60 centimeter, and here C is the hypotenuse. This one is the hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, it will be C square is equals to A square plus B square is equals to 32 square plus 60 square. So from here you have to find the value of C. So first find the value of 32 square, then 60 square. 32 square means 32 into 32, 2 2s are 4, 12, 1024. Okay. In last slide we have calculated, na? Yes, here 1024. Okay. So the value of 32 square is 1024, and this will be 3600. 60 square means 60 into 60, that is equals to 36, and there are 2 zeros, so 20. Okay, c square is equals to 4, 2, 6, 4, 6 to 4. Next find the value of c. Let us solve it by prime factorization method. 2 2s are 3s are 1s are 2s are 2 1s are 1s are 5s are 6s are 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 8s are 2s are 8s are 9s are. This one will be 17 into 17. Okay, this one will be 2, 2 and 17. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 17. You will write all these things here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 17 into 17. So the answer is 2 to the 4, 17 4 is 68 centimeter. So the value of C or the value of hypotenuse is 68 centimeter. So in this way you will try to solve these other two sums of number 4. Okay. In number 5, the length of three sides of a right angle of a triangle is given, and you have to find whether the triangle is right angled or not. Okay, so just you have to find the first you have to find the square of each side. AB square, that is equals to 40 square, means 1600. Next you have to find BC square, that is equals to 58 square, means 58 into 58, 8 8 is 64, 46, 5 8 is 40, 9 4 6 3 3 3 3 6 4. Okay, 3 3 6 4, and last one is CA square, that is equals to 44 square. So 44 into 44, 176, 176, 12, 13, 1936. Fine, 1936. Next, you have to find the sum of these two smaller sides. If this will be equals to this, then the triangle is possible, otherwise not possible. So write down here AB square plus CA square is equals to 1600 plus 1936 is equals to 36 15 3536. Na, it's not matching, so not equals to BC square. Therefore right angle, it is not a triangle. ABC is not a right angle triangle. So is not a right angled triangle. ठीक, okay. 1600 plus 1936, 6 3 15. Fine. So in this way you will solve these number 2 and number 3. Fine. Okay, for number 6, first draw the sign conventions, that is north, south, east and west. A man travels 90 km due east, means if a man is standing here, he travels 90 km towards east. Okay, then 56 km due south, 56 km due south. Now how far is he from starting point, means you have to find this distance. So this is the longest distance of this triangle, so it means that this one is the hypotenuse, and you can consider this one as base and this one as perpendicular or the opposite one. It's up to you, whichever you want you can take it. So by the, where is my cursor? Okay, by Pythagoras theorem you can write hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse square equals to this. So h square is equals to p square, means 56 square plus 90 square. H square is equals to, find out the values. Okay, this one will be 3136 plus 8100. H square is equals to 3x 362. कहाँ जा रहा है सब?
अच्छा वेंडर देता हूँ।
Okay, we have got the value of 2809, that is 53 into 53. Actually these sums are very much calculative, because here you will find the squares of prime numbers. Okay, so you have to give hit and trial method only, there is no other option. Like I was trying to find out the square root of 2809, first I tried 43, then 47, you have to try 53, 57, like this. Okay, so for these two pairs, for this a pair of two, you have to write only 1 2 and this 153. So 2 3 6, 2 5 is 10, 106 kilometer is the answer for number 6. Okay. Okay, let us start number 7. A long pole is made to stand against a wall in such a way that its foot, okay, if this is the ground and this is the wall, this is the wall. If this is the wall and a long pole is made to stand against this wall like this, and this one is the pole, and the foot is 16 meter away from the wall and the top reaches a window 12 meter above the ground. Okay, on this wall here is a window, so the window is 12 meter above the ground. You have to find the length of the pole, means simply you have to find the hypotenuse, and this one is the base and this one is the perpendicular. So by Pythagoras theorem you can write h square is equals to p square plus b square. So h square is equals to 12 square plus 16 square. Next find the value of h square. 256, h square is equals to 6 4 10, 5 4 9 10, 400. So h is equals to root over 400. You will get the value as 20 meter. So the height of the pole, means the length of the pole. The length of the pole is 20 meter. Length of pole is equals to 20 meter. This is the right answer. I repeat that these sums are very much calculative, so you have to do it very carefully. Come to number 8. Find the length of the diagonal of a rectangle whose sides are, okay, if this is a rectangle and the length is 21 centimeter and this one is 20 centimeter, you have to find the diagonal, means diagonal is nothing but the hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem you will write h square is equals to 20 square plus 21 square. Next, do the sum similar to this one. H square will be equals to 400 plus 441. This one will be equals to 841. Next you will find out the value of root of 841. What will be root of 841? Again this one is a prime number, means you have to get it by hit and trial method. So let us check 841 though. Try it like this, 31 into 31. Okay, this one is getting bigger, so try it 727, no 29. Age 841. Okay, so this one will be what? This one will be 29 centimeter. Okay, for number 9, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of squares of other two sides. If the square of one side of a triangle is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, then the triangle is right angled. Of all the line segments that can be drawn to a given line from a given point outside it, the dash is the shortest, the hypotenuse is the shortest. state Pythagoras theorem I have already explained in the first slide. This one is the Pythagoras theorem, so you will write down, write there this one. Okay, so this ends the exercise here.